Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can have more available plots on your Seamount home in Heartopia. So you will need to level up on your exploration. So I am currently on level 10. I'm about to upgrade to level 10, sorry, 11. I don't know why I said 10 again. So I'll need two of the Explorer certificate. Let's upgrade it. And I am able to upgrade my, it's called a flat top hill, but essentially you will be able to upgrade to have like more plots in your Seamount home, which is your underwater house. So let me teleport to my house and do that. After I clean this, okay, I'll be back. Alright, so now I'm at my house. I'm just going to go to plots here and I'm just going to unlock the plot. Do I have enough money? Yeah, I do. And I'll have more space to build stuff. I don't know what to build yet. I might build Krusty Krab. Can I unlock more? Okay, I need to be like level something, I guess. Okay. But yeah, that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.